Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first visit, please stick around. Take a look at all that I've got going so far. It's not a whole lot, but a little bit. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, please do subscribe. What are we looking at here? Is it dirt? No, it's not dirt. This is bark fines, aged bark fines. Okay. And I'm going to be using this in a lot of different ways. I'm going to be using it as my rooting medium for rooting my cuttings, and as a component into the potting soil that I'm going to custom make for each kind of plant. So anyway, this is from Full Circle Compost. They always have good products. And thanks for watching. I'm going to try to keep this short. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you very much, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.